Guillain-Barré syndrome causes, symptoms, and natural remedies. Guillain-Barré syndrome is a rare but serious autoimmune disorder where the body immune system mistakenly attacks the peripheral nerves. It can lead to muscle weakness, paralysis, and in severe cases can be life-threatening if breathing muscles are affected. So early recognition and treatment are crucial for recovery. Let us explore the Guillain-Barré syndrome in detail. Now, the Guillain-Barré syndrome is a neurological disorder where the immune system damages the myelin sheath, the protective covering of peripheral nerves, or sometimes the nerve themselves. Now, this interrupts the transmission of nerve signals, leading to muscle weakness, numbness, and in some cases, paralysis. Now, the most people recover completely with only minor weakness. GBS can have long-lasting effect if not treated promptly. What are the causes of Guillain-Barré syndrome? Now, the exact cause of GBS is unknown, but it often follows an infection. Common triggers include respiratory or gastrointestinal infections, especially Campylobacter jejuni, which is a bacteria found in undercooked poultry. Viral infections, influenza, Epstein-Barr virus, cytomegalovirus, and Zika virus. Vaccinations, very rarely. Certain vaccines have been linked to triggering GBS. Surgery or trauma. Some cases have been reported after surgeries. COVID-19 infection or vaccination of some reports suggest a possible link, although it is extremely rare. In simple words, after an infection or immune trigger, the body's defense system becomes confused and start attacking its own nerves. Let's talk about the symptoms of Guillain-Barré syndrome. Now, the symptoms of GBS usually appear within days to weeks after an infection and can progress rapidly. Weakness or tingling in the legs, numbness in hands or feet, difficulty with facial movements like smiling, speaking, chewing, pain, especially in lower back, loss of reflexes like the knee jerk reflex, muscle weakness spreading from legs to upper body, difficult walking or climbing the stairs, trouble with eye or facial movement, severe pain that worsens at night, difficulty in breathing or swallowing in severe cases, and blood pressure fluctuations and irregular heartbeat. Natural remedies and the supportive therapies behind it. While natural remedies cannot replace the medical treatments for GBS, they can support overall recovery and can enhance the well-being. For that, nutrition and diet is important. Anti-inflammatory diet include foods like turmeric, ginger, leafy greens, berries, omega-3, rich fish like salmon to fight the inflammation. Adequate protein support muscle repair, vitamin B12 and folate important for nerve health. Hydration keeps the body functioning optimal during the recovery. So physical therapy and gentle exercise help prevent the muscle wasting and maintain flexibility. So definitely go for it. Start with passive exercise under supervision, progressing to active movements as the strengthen results. Now, mind body techniques, meditation and deep breathing reduce stress, which may aid the immune balance. Visualization techniques, mentally picturing the healing of your nerves can foster a positive mindset. Massage therapy, light massages can help with circulation, reduce pain, relax your muscles, and it should be done by professionals familiar with GBS cases. Acupressure. Now, for that, some evidence suggests it can help with pain and nerve recovery, but should be approached carefully and discussed with doctors first. Supplements, after consulting the doctor, you can go with omega-3 fatty acids like anti-inflammatory properties, vitamin D, which supports your immune health. Definitely go for magnesium also. It will help to reduce the muscle cramps. So, the Guillain-Barré syndrome, which is although rare, is a serious condition requiring immediate medical attention. Early diagnosis and treatment greatly improve the chances of full recovery. So, alongside the conventional treatments like IVIG and plasmapheresis, supportive care will good nutrition, gentle exercise, stress reduction technique, and definitely natural remedies play a crucial role in the holistic healing of your body. And if you like this video and do like the fitness and content related to your health, definitely subscribe to my channel for more such videos in the future. Do subscribe and do like to this video and do comment to this video as well. Thanks for watching the video. We'll meet you in the next video.